This is the moment the water turned deadly.
Two days earlier, none of them saw the danger coming. This bend in the river never runs dry. Beneath the surface, hundreds of small fish gather. Deep in the current, something far larger is waiting. A buffalo herd grazes on the far bank.
One bull moves slower than the rest. A wound on his flank has not healed properly.
Thousands of parasites have already found their way in. The fish sensed him before he even reaches the water.
Above the surface, Koko begins her own work. More Oxpeckers arrive, drawn by her lead. For a moment, Ngoma finally stands still. But Vuma has already begun to move closer. This cleaning ritual happens here every few days.
The rest of the herd grazes on, unaware of the danger.
Vuma has hunted this bend for 11 years. Now, he tracks Ngoma's weakened stance through the murky water. He has learned to recognize weakness at a glance. Ngoma lingers longer than he should. Koko notices the water shift before anything else does. Her alarm call cuts through the calm instantly.
The other Oxpeckers scatter into the air at once.
Underwater, the fish school scatters in a silver flash.
Ngoma's eyes snap open, sensing the sudden change. But his weakened leg keeps him a step too slow. Vuma closes the final distance in complete silence.
The herd on the far bank finally lifts their heads.
Ngoma turns to face the water instead of running. Then the attack breaks the surface. The fight shifts, the instant she strikes his eye. The advantage shifts the moment he turns to flee. Ngoma is still standing, though barely. The herd closes around him, shielding him from the water. Koko lands on him again the moment the danger passes. The fish return more cautiously than before. The herd leads Ngoma slowly toward dry ground. Night falls before the herd finally settles. Somewhere in the deep channel, Vuma nurses his wounds. Ngoma sleeps standing, too wary to lie down fully. Koko stays close through the night, watching over him. By dawn, his wounds have already begun to dry. The herd moves again toward the water at sunrise, Ngoma moving more steadily among them. This time, the herd stays close around him. The fish return in full number within minutes. Koko resumes her work along his back and shoulders. The original wound is nearly clean for the first time. Thousands of parasites are gone within the week. Ngoma's strength returns faster than the herd expected. The younger bulls begin to follow his lead again. The Oxpeckers spread across the whole herd by midday.
The fish spread out to the rest of the herd too.
What began with one bull now serves the whole herd. Even old wounds fade when enough help arrives. Vuma remains deep in the channel, still recovering.
The rains arrive a few days later, right on time. The river rises, and the fish follow with it.
Ngoma stands in the rain, fully healed at last.
Koko shelters briefly beneath his massive dewlap.
The herd moves together through the falling rain.
Even the fish seem to slow their pace today.
This bend has seen this cycle countless times before.
Every scar eventually fades beneath the water's care.
The herd grazes late into the afternoon, undisturbed.
Koko returns to the water's edge to rest.
The current carries the last of the storm downstream.
Deep in the channel, Vuma finally stirs again. He will hunt this river again, but not today.
The herd settles along the bank as evening arrives.
Ngoma lies down fully for the first time in weeks. Koko settles on his back one last time before dark.
Every scar here is proof that something helped. The river keeps no records, only the healed.